Welcome everyone to the Christmas market specials. I know I made this intro, I started this intro a bit more. Yeah, I don't even know. But anyway, this is another episode of Trains here at Lincoln Central for the Christmas market specials 2016. You'll be seeing services by Eastman's Trains, Northern, Virgin Trains East Coast, some freight, and as well as a charter from West Coast Railway Companies.
Yes.
Which is supposed to be the Duchess of Sutherland and a 47 on the rear.
Lovely.
Anyway, there is 43,300 Craig and Tinney.
Got another 35 minutes in.
I'm going to go up here because I'm a bit too.
0901 East Midlands.
There is 156404.
Newark Northgate.
We'll be heading off to Newark Northgate at 9:01 with 153376.
Hashtag not Grimby.
Over there is
Please keep your personal
144001
belongings with you at all
and
times.
144009
Anything
going to
suspicious,
Adwood.
please speak to a member of our station team or British Transport
So let's see
Police.
what she'll turn up here. Latest news, they've cancelled both steam trains now. Earl of Mount Edgecombe's been cancelled because apparently it's too fat to fit in Nottingham. And yeah, that was a fat joke. And the Duchess of Sutherland's been cancelled due to late arrival of coaching stock. Yeah, I don't see how that's a problem. They could easily just make up time.
Yeah.
Unless they're lying.
I'm saying it's cancelled.
Okay, so something weird just happened. RTT, real-time trains, is saying that the Duchess is cancelled, yet departure boards .mdbi, I believe it is, or .mobi, okay, mobi, is actually saying that it's still on. Time will tell. Time will tell. First up will be your 901 Eastman's train service to Newark Northgate for the 156404. And 153376 X24 Expedition.
1534 to Newark.
I think that's a new record for me keeping the camera straight. Here we go with the 907 Eastman's train service from Nottingham. Is that a 158 that's leading?
Yeah.
158 to Leicester will be 158.
788.
I don't think I've seen that one. So I think that's a tick off of the list.
15 East Midlands trains, service to Doncaster.
Stick the 156 on the back of 156. 401. 401 will be going to Doncaster. And 788 will be going to Leicester.
It's a bit far down there, isn't it?
It's not normally that far down. Get your facts right. Next that will be your 915 Eastman's train service to Doncaster, which will be 156401, which divided off at Taylor 57. And breathe. It'd be funny if they forgot to uncouple the 158. 156401 to Doncaster. Derby.
Okay,
Oh.
then.
Why do you say Derby train? You're not going there.
On 6,
I have stock formation. If you thought stock formations were weird,
3 S's.
here's a 158 off Doncaster.
Sorted.
Doncaster? Doncaster. Difference. 885.
866.
Oh, fair enough. 158 866.
Where are you looking?
I don't know where I'm looking. Leave me alone. Oh, platform alteration.
With 0936 East Midlands train.
I might be standing a bit too close. There we go.
Now departing platform 4B. The next train
Are we going to get 4 coaches?
3 will be the
866 from
158 866. A pair of 158s stood in platform 4.
This is information on platform.
Next out for Northern, your 925 Northern service to Adwick.
1 the Penistone line.
144,001 the Penistone line. And 144009. 144,001 and 144,009 to Adwick. Clagging. Next out, your 43 will be 43,300 Craig and Tinny 100 off to London King's Cross on your 0930 service. Calling at Northgate, Brandon Peterborough, David in London King's Cross.
Newcastle and Nottingham. Passengers
There's a freight train in platform 5, which is very rare.
Biscuiton, Loudon and Carlton.
Reminder, stop well clear from the train at platform number 5.
The next train to depart on platform 4B will be the 09
43,343.
service to Leicester.
310.
Loughborough, Barrow-upon-Soar, Sileby, Sideston.
Transport and community out in full force here today. In a sec, this will be a shed off of Felixstowe to Doncaster. Yes, I am starting early.
Let me just find the bloody thing.
So the next clip will be the train.
Okay, this is 462, 66538.
66538. It's a windy freight train, no surprise there, even though it's not really windy. It's breezy, if anything.
The next train to depart on platform 4B will be the
2 empty flatbeds.
Some
more containers.
Leicester. Calling at Highcombe, Collingham, Newcastle, Nottingham, Beeston, East Midlands Parkway, Loughborough, Barrow-upon-Soar, Sileby, Sideston and Leicester. This train is full of 2 coaches. Platform 4B of the 0936 East Midlands trains, service to Leicester.
66538 to Doncaster, with way more containers on than its Doncaster Felixstowe cousin that I saw last week.
62.
Well, which I saw on Monday.
Felixstowe. To number 58 through to Leicester.
Next out, your 936 Eastlands train service to Highcombe, Collingham, Newcastle, Nottingham, Beeston, Eastlands Parkway, Loughborough, Barrow-upon-Soar, Sileby, Sideston, Leicester.
866.
158 866. And 158 788. Up to a pair of trains. Well, a pair of trains, of course it's a pair of trains. 158 866 and 158 788 to Leicester. Now over 5, yes, your eyes do not deceive you. It's 66166 on the Peterborough to Doncaster. On the Peterborough to Doncaster RHTT. Non-hazardous product. It's water, so of course it is non-hazardous. 1, 2. That's one dirty shit. 66065 being a very dirty bastard. Off to,
shit itself.
yeah, off to Doncaster.
Wiped it all over.
That's
Well
at
done.
least 4 trains that want Doncaster in the space of like 15 minutes. Or something like that. No. Down there's a pair of that's 153 and a 158. Anyway, as I was saying, down there's a 153 and a 158. Off to from Peterborough. Won't be able to see the numbers, but he's off in platform 1. I think he's off in platform 1.
This is 11.
Okay, 153 apparently. Yeah, he's in 1. Normally he goes in 2, but 2 can't really handle 3-car trains.
Transport police.
I will not be able to get the number of the 158.
Police on 610.
3 coaches.
Next in your 1006 Eastman's train service to Grimsby, 153376 and 156404.
How do you remember these things? I don't remember your date of birth.
I'm clever. That lot to Grimsby.
This will be
Here's a bus on your 1003, northern service from Sheffield. Formed of, at the moment, one pacer, but will there be another pacer behind it? Yes, there will.
2.
144002. We'll start this straight. Jesus Christ. That made a bit of noise. 144002, and I'm guessing 144006. 144002, I'm guessing 144006. Yep.
Will be the 1021 East Midlands train.
Off from Sheffield. Here's a
Zulu
Meridian from Derby. 222020. Oh, again? From like 2 years ago. No, 3 years ago. Yeah, 22202, that's a 7.
It is.
Hello Meridian. Welcome to the Christmas market.
Cutler's Company.
The Cutler's Company. Triple 2002 from Derby.
Cutler's Company from Derby.
Next down an ECS to Nottingham. 22202 again. Cutler's Company.
Cutler's Company, which is
5Z50.
5 Zulu 51 to Nottingham.
5. Any sec from behind the pacer, your 1021, Eastern train service to Newark Northgate. Oh, 153357.
4A will be the 1025 Northern service to Adwick.
And 156498.
Saxonby, Gainsborough Road, Brentford,
To Collingham and Newark.
Shire Oaks, Kiverton Park, Kiverton Bridge, Woodhouse.
There's a Meridian coming in from Leicester at 1025. But also here's your 1025 Northern service to Adwick. 22214 on the Leicester. And 144006 on the Adwick. And 144002 also on the Adwick, which is not calling at Meadowhall today due to engineering works. So it's going straight from Sheffield to Rotherham. And 22214, he's jumping up and down for joy.
Passengers on platform 3, will you please allow the passengers to leave the train
from
as it has
Leicester.
arrived?
This is Tillerman 60.
Next out, your 1036 Eastern train service to Nottingham. It's not going to Leicester. Well, it is going to Leicester, but this Meridian's going to do the Lincoln to Nottingham section of the journey to Leicester. And then everyone will be transferred onto, well, anyone that requires Leicester will get onto another service, which will leave at 11:36 off Nottingham, which is when this service would normally leave Nottingham for Leicester. And I congratulate you if you actually made it through that bit of rambling that I just did. 156414 and 153321. That's your 1058 Eastman's train service to Newark Northgate only. Additional service from Cleethorpes. I'm getting sick and tired of seeing these 156, 153 combos. Send a Meridian or something, I don't know. Well, my camera battery died, but that's 156401. Terminating enough Doncaster. Yeah.
Okay, next up is 110 from
East Midlands Hust. Bits of my phone are getting on my hands right here.
I don't know what 74 is named. 76 is named, yeah.
43076. Help for Heroes.
This is information for passengers on
for God's sake.
platform number 3. The train arriving onto platform 3 is an out-of-service train. Please do not join this train on platform number 3, which is just arriving. Please do not join this train.
And please note all coaches are standard class only. All of them are standard class.
Why why is there no first class? Well, there is, but still.
You can't really book it, can you? In just first class to Newark, it's pointless. You're there and back in 20, and 044's on the rail.
4344 brings up the rear of the Nottingham Sheffield train via Nottingham, which called at Chesterfield, Alfreton, Langley Mill, Nottingham, and finally here. It's got a very weird calling pattern.
This is information
Hello.
for passengers on platform number 3.
No. Next in will probably be it's a dot matrix 142. So dot matrix 142 and another 142 coming in from Scunthorpe, slightly delayed 1103 service. 142041 brings up the front. It's farting and it's full. 142067 that I saw the other day. Full and standing. 142067, I saw that on Monday. That was on 1326. 142067. Again. And 142041 again. That's the 1125 Northern service to Adwick, which is actually called it. Why are people watching a pacer?
Yeah, left at 11:28.
Late? Like 11:30 Newark will be.
On our stations and trains, please speak to a member of our team or a police officer. Please take care when boarding our train, but don't struggle on the stairs today, as lifts are available at this station. Our station team are happy to help with any assistance you may need.
The next train to depart from platform 3A will be the 11:30 East Midlands trains service to Newark Northgate. Calling it Newark Northgate.
Right, so that's 4344. I had to eat a Kit Kat there.
3 coaches.
But that's 43044 and 43076 Help for Heroes running ECS to Nottingham.
Service to Newark Northgate.
Oh dear. It looks like it's all gone a bit sideways over there.
Yeah.
Very much sideways. Eastman's train, sort your gate line out.
30 East Midlands.
Here's your slightly delayed 11:30 service to Newark Northgate. Well, from Newark Northgate, 156498. And then it will go back to formerly 11:30 to Newark Northgate. I'm confusing everyone, but it's 156498 and 153357. That's what it is. Stopping. 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 Stopped.
153,
153-357 is leaving, working your delay at 11:30. Eastman's train service to Newark Northgate only, but the board is saying Leicester. 156498 brings up the rear.
This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 3A from the
You're not the squeal trains, you don't squeal.
Service to
on the rear.
Northgate.
This is 2 Tango 35 to Newark
Only.
Northgate.
Next train
To Leicester.
pulling in is the express train,
73 from
which is the well, it's not really an express train, it's a 156. You got you got 2 coaches, 156403.
Nothing spare at Eastcroft then.
Clearly not.
Look at how busy that is.
The 11:34 arrival from Leicester. Jesus Christ, look at that. Full and standing yet again. Only 2. Only 2.
I'm going to speak like he's
156403 from Leicester. That is just priceless. There's a 156 coming down as well from GNT, but I'm not going to film that.
Platform number 4 is the East Midlands train service through to Doncaster.
Next out, the
Calling at
11:40
Saxby,
East Midlands train
Gainsborough
service to
Road and
Leicester.
Doncaster. That's East Midlands train service through to
15643.
Doncaster, departing at 11:54 from platform number 4. Calling at Saxby, Gainsborough Road and Doncaster.
I swore he just said Gainsborough Road and Doncaster. Not the second time, but the first time. 156403 on the express to Leicester. Next stop for that, Newark Castle. Next out will be 156473. The 11:54 East Midlands train service to Saxby, Gainsborough Road and Doncaster. And 153 A 153374 to Doncaster. Post in the way. This is 2 Tango 98, an additional service from Newark Northgate 153321. I feel like I'm watching a rail cam from this position, but I'm not. And 156 414.
That's now all empty stock. All of it.
Bound for...
Here.
Oh yeah.
That's then going in platform 1 to terminate. Empties. That's why it's going in 3B.
All that from Newark.
Hey, did you check your diner life?
142.
263 from Scunthorpe.
142 and 142. 142 and 144.
87.
142 87. One four two 87 and 144 003 from Scunthorpe. Jesus Christ.
Sheffield earlier, didn't it? Because we saw that already.
Have we?
Yeah.
That was 002.
I'm 3. You said earlier, oh, I wish it was number 2.
Yeah, that was 009.
Oh, whatever. Okay.
Here is a Meridian.
It's 1252 from Nottingham.
014.
53.
I think it's 20. It's
002.
it's 222 002 again. Forgive me, I got my numbers wrong. Apparently you're not in service yet, you say Lincoln. Triple 002 from Nottingham. Here's a 66065 and 66116 on the RHT2 back from Doncaster to Peterborough. Yeah. And with that going, I'd like to end my video here. Thank you all very much for watching. Thanks to Faith for joining. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video, which will actually be my USA Rail Cam video. So until then, it's goodbye from Lincoln Central and goodbye from this year's Christmas market, which was a bit disappointing if I'm honest, but I'm not going to end it on a negative note, so bye.